Hey there YouTube fam, today I'll be teaching you this look which is too easy to recreate and it's beginner friendly too, so let's get started. Taking this ZHOOSH brow pomade and with the help of this double-ended spoolie angled brush, first comb my brows with this spoolie and dipped in my brush to pomade and draw a stroke to my brow and blend it as well. Again, I am blending my pomade with the spoolie to make sure that there will be no harsh edges. This brush is from BH Cosmetics and known as flat rounded brush. This concealer is from AQUA in shade 2. Cleaning the brow with the concealer to make my brows look so defined and sharp. Also, applying the concealer to all over my lid to make a smooth base for my eye makeup. This brush is from BH Cosmetics and known as Big Fluffy Blending Brush. Setting my base with this single shade by Makeup Revolution in shade Mauve. For eye makeup, I'm going to use this palette by MORPHEXJACYLNHILL. This brush is from Wet n Wild Cosmetics and known as Big Fluffy Blending Brush. Taking this neutral brown shade and applying it to my crease as a transition shade. Here I am adding color gradually to my lid to make it look more blended. Taking this darker brown shade and adding it to my crease to create some more depth. You can see that I am applying it to my crease and dragging it to my lid as well. This brush is from Morphe brushes and known as small tapered blending brush. Taking this darkest brown shade and applying it to my crease to make it look more defined and smoky. Taking the same brush and blending my crease with this light brown shade. This mascara is from RIMMEL Cosmetics and applying it to my lashes. This brush is used for nail art, but I am using it to apply my liner. Taking this brown paint from Athena palette by UCANBE Makeup and applying it as a liner. This one brush is also from Nail Art Kit and taking this highlighting shade and highlighting my brow bone. Taking this pristine copper pigmented shadow and applying it to my lid with the same brush. This brush is from drugstore. Taking this same brush and applying it to my lower lash line and applying darker shade to make it more smokier. This gel liner is from MORPHE Cosmetics. This is lip brush, but I'm using it as a liner brush. This is a complete look without lashes, and this is with lashes. Hope you guys will like it. Like, share and subscribe. Make sure to press bell icon and turn on the notification for more videos.